There's one of them. Wait till you see the other ones. So I was looking for something to supplement the light that comes off of my Ring spotlight cam. I wanted to double that light. I wanted something with motion detection. The folks at ZOOKKI were kind enough to send me this for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are gonna be my own. So let me show you what you get with this, and we'll do a little test at night. These things are 4 inches wide and 5 inches long. So when you get the box, it looks kind of small, but don't worry about that because they're actually stacked like this. So they fit in their square. So you get 4 lights that come in here. So you get a set of instructions and you get hardware for each of them. These things are made of ABS plastic. They're really super lightweight. They're IP65 waterproof, so they should be good in rain, snow, sleet. There's no wires attached to them. That's a real plus for me. They're solar powered, so you're gonna wanna place them in a spot where you can get 6 to 8 hours of sunlight. 28 LEDs behind this panel right here. And one of the things I really like about it is just on and off. It's motion detection, it turns on, and then it goes off after 30 seconds. There's no dim mode, so the battery will last longer. That's a big plus for me. The motion sensor on here has a 120-degree range on it, and it's supposed to be able to detect people up to 26 feet away. But the main thing you need to know about this is it comes with these pins. When you get these lights, you're gonna have to activate them. The first thing you wanna do is pull the plastic off the top of the panel right here. There's a little hole right here, and you're gonna stick this pin in the hole, and you're gonna push in, and you're gonna activate it. See the light flash? There it is. One of the other things I really like about these lights too is that it just has 2 mounting screws. You screw it in the top, and it just sits there flat on the surface it's supposed to go on, so it's super easy to install. So I decided to take the other 3 lights and attach them to the fence here because I'll let my dog out here at night, and when he goes down into the backyard where I can't see him very well, he'll trip these motion detectors, and I can keep an eye on him. You can see the ring light went out, and that one's hanging in there. I love it. Good boy, let's set off the other ones. So these things work exactly as I had hoped they would. They give my dog some light at night. They look great on my fence. They complement my other solar lights. And 30 seconds later, they're back off again. Perfect. Obviously, these lights would be great for a backyard, a patio, a pool, to light a stairway or a doorway when you're coming home, over a garage, second floor deck. Any place you need motion activated lights. ZOOKKI 4-pack solar outdoor motion sensor lights.